Hi there, how are you doing? Welcome to yet another episode of Candid Chapters. And today, the topic of discussion would be how would you come to know that a person is emotionally unstable or you are emotionally unstable? Emotions are valid. Emotions हमेशा सही और रियल होते हैं. आप अपने आप को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते if you are feeling emotionally unstable, high or lows in your emotions. Because emotions, they make our life beautiful, they color our life, they help us in our life's journey, and emotions also give us an insight into our thought process. But when these emotions go out of control, that's when we become emotionally unstable. तो चलिए ऐसे कौन से वो 12 साइंस हैं जिनसे पता चलेगा कि आप इमोशनली अनस्टेबल हैं, देखते हैं. स्टे ट्यून्ड. It's not about how you manage your emotions. It's all about how you manage your reactions towards the emotions. And emotionally unstable people, they become a hostage to their own emotions. Rather than they controlling the emotions, emotions start to control them. They are on a roller coaster ride of their own emotions. It seems that they are sitting on a horse of emotions which has gone scot free. So they have no control over the way they feel, and that is why they act upon their emotions. Next, because they have no control over their emotions, emotionally unstable people often experience high levels of emotional lows and emotional highs. They have extreme mood swings, which comes from anxiety, stress, and unable to regulate their emotions. They're not able to have resilience towards their emotions. क्योंकि उनके मूड एक मिनट में ऊपर जाते हैं, एक मिनट में नीचे जाते हैं, वो एक सेकंड में खुश हो जाते हैं और छोटी सी बात से घबरा भी जाते हैं. छोटी सी बात से उनको गुस्सा आ जाता है, छोटी सी बात से उनकी आंखों में आंसू भी निकल पड़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट, people who are emotionally unstable are not able to manage their relationships successfully. They experience fights, arguments, and difference of opinion because of their own emotional highs and lows. They always experience drama in their relationship because emotions are in excess and they are not able to regulate their emotions in a healthy way. Next, people with emotional highs and lows are not able to make right decisions in their professional life. They are not able to progress in their professional life successfully because of poor decision taking ability. जो लोग एक्सट्रीम इमोशंस को एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं वो दूसरों के साथ एम्पथाइज नहीं कर पाते बिकॉज उनकी अपनी इमोशंस उनको इतना परेशान करती हैं वो दूसरों की परेशानी में कैसे उनका साथ दे पाएंगे. दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग विद देयर ओन इमोशंस. So you should empathize with them rather than expecting empathy from a person who is experiencing high levels of emotional ups and downs. ऐसे लोग बहुत जल्दी अपनी डिसीजन बदल देते हैं. दे डू नॉट स्टिक टू देयर डिसीजन. लास्ट मिनट कैंसलेशन, चेंजिंग प्लान्स is inherent in them because of emotional highs and lows. Emotionally unstable people, they do not open up with everybody because they feel कि उनकी emotions को कोई समझ ही नहीं पाएगा. And that is why they start suppressing their emotions rather than letting it out to people whom they feel they can, or probably they can get some help from somebody. So they start to live in their own world of emotions. Next, such people also suffer rejection and criticism because they are getting subdued by their own emotions. The moment somebody tells them something, it starts to hurt them in a negative way. They do not take negative feedback in a positive way because they are themselves becoming hostage to their own emotions and unable to regulate their emotions in a positive way. Next, such people are impulsive in their life. You will see such people suddenly breaking their relationships, giving resignation in their jobs, and probably leaving one place and going to another because they are not able to process their emotions and they take decisions in a flick of a second. They're not afraid of the consequences because they take decision based on their emotions rather than intellect or wisdom. Students who are emotionally unstable, you will see poor academic performance. They're not able to perform well. And this is because they experience emotional outbursts and they're not able to communicate how to process these emotions effectively to their parents, or they don't know to whom they should reach out for advice and help. People who are emotionally unstable, you will see they will not take care of their health. They go on a binge diet. They eat the junk food which is available to them because most of the time they are motivated by their emotions. Such kind of people, you will also see them not dressing up appropriately to create a right impressions in business and social environments because they feel like a recluse. They feel like moving away from society because they love to live in the company of their own emotions. Next, people who are emotionally unstable, they have trust issues with others. They cannot trust anybody so easily बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि किसी को भी ट्रस्ट करेंगे वो उनको हर्ट करके चला जाएगा, इसलिए उनकी बाउंड्रीज बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाती हैं। वो इतनी आसानी से लोगों को अपनी लाइफ के अंदर आने की एंट्री नहीं दे पाते क्योंकि उनको पता है कि अगर गलत लोग उनकी जिंदगी में आ जाएंगे, उनकी वजह से उनको और ज्यादा इमोशनल हाइज और लोज को एक्सपीरियंस करना पड़ेगा, तो उनके ट्रस्ट इश्यूज बहुत ज्यादा हो जाते हैं लोगों के साथ। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, people who are emotionally unstable, they are unable to get back to normal. Once they experience high levels of anger, outbursts, they often experience guilt and shame after that. So they tend to be in the whirlpool of emotion for 3 to 4 days. And when they calm themselves down out of the emotions, it's normally accompanied by shame, guilt, and also anger as to why they behaved in this particular way, anger on themselves. These were the signs of an emotionally unstable individual. If you want to be emotionally stable, you should know the difference between emotions, feelings, and moods and learn how to manage all of them. Emotions are beautiful, बहुत खूबसूरत है emotions. But if they are in excess, they can become your biggest enemy also. और अगर emotions आपको control कर रही हैं, जबकि आपको इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करना चाहिए, तो डेफिनेटली इमोशंस आपकी लाइफ को नेगेटिवली इंपैक्ट कर सकती हैं। तो बी इन द ड्राइवर सीट, हैव अ गुड कंट्रोल एंड होल्ड ऑन टू योर इमोशंस प्रॉपर्ली rather than they controlling you, because for your health and mental well-being you need to be emotionally healthy, and you also need to regulate your emotion in a proper and healthy manner. Mind can make a hell out of heaven or a heaven out of hell. And mind जो बोलती है बॉडी वो फॉलो करती है. So let only positive emotions reside in you, where you are in good control over yourself and you lead your life in a successful way, where emotions don't come in the way of your goals. Stay tuned, stay happy, manage your emotions effectively. Bye bye from Sapna Handa till we meet again.